up, please.
What are you doing?
Go around to the back side.
No! Get up.
On April 1st, 2025, at approximately 4:30 p.m., police officers responded to a field event call at a local residence. What started as a routine dispatch quickly escalated into a dramatic encounter with a female suspect. Officers had no idea that this woman would not only be hiding illegal substances on her person, but would also attempt a bold escape right under their watch. This is the story of how one arrest turned into two.
Hello, officer. I'm getting new can openers.
Good. You got it. Yeah.
You got it? Oh, wow. That's what I said. Y'all have a good night. Who? Okay, just want to put it in front of
This gun right here.
Okay.
Nothing on you, no knives or anything?
No.
You see your smoke check there?
Yeah.
Okay. How many layers do you have on?
2.
2? Okay.
Yeah. 2 to 3.
Anything you shouldn't have on you that you should have dropped off?
No. It's
No?
already in.
Okay.
Except there's a cell phone that's in there too.
Hey. You don't have a cage, right? No.
Please, this one? What do you have in your pockets?
Just a whole bunch of
Random stuff?
Yep.
Alright. You guys don't have a bag, do you?
I think I did.
Now I got a question. Can you write a ticket for that?
Ticket for what?
For the warrant.
Can I write a ticket for the warrant?
So I can keep on walking.
What is this?
Flonase. Oh, okay. That's just a regular sweat. The reason why is you go back into
What's in here?
same sheet.
Okay.
Yep. If you were to go back
Alright, I'm gonna have
oh,
to take-
shitload of heroin.
Where?
What's up? Inside where I was just I'm the one that's giving you guys all the information.
Nothing that's gonna stick me, poke me, or...
Fuck no.
Okay.
Hell no. Fuck no.
206. I don't have any notes on here. I'm sorry, I thought you just said clear with notes when you're on that stolen vehicle recovery. No weapon, right?
No,
Okay.
ma'am, no. That's already in the house.
That's in the house?
Yes.
What is it?
216, I copy your phone.
Sitting inside the little bottle that's up on top of that. That's all shit.
Alright, I'll re-up in your van. More here.
Okay. 4. Can you tell me why?
What?
Can you tell me why?
Because they don't want you here.
And who claims that?
The facility, the
I don't
housing
see why.
authority.
I don't see why.
Well, that doesn't. They don't need a reason.
Okay. So am I gonna be able to walk in?
You got shorts under this?
No, I got it. I got a couple of bandages up underneath that.
What is this?
It's my dress.
Are you
I
wearing
turned it
Are you wearing something under this?
Yes, it's a whole outfit. It's like stripper outfit.
You got pockets?
No, not at all. Just on this side. And one in the back.
You wearing a bra?
Mm-hmm.
You hiding anything in there?
No, man.
You better tell me now before you get into booking.
Oh, fuck no.
Sorry, I gotta shake it.
God. But you have no fun. It's like a motherfucking house. Okay, can I see the ticket, please?
This is the trespass.
Okay, can I see it, please?
Trespass?
Taylor, you wanna bring that?
Yeah, I'll show you in a second. They already stated they didn't want you here.
But I don't see how, though.
It doesn't matter. They don't have to have a reason. They own the property. They say, I don't want this certain person here, and that's it. You don't need to give a reason or anything.
All right.
It's like for your own house. If you don't want somebody there, they don't have to commit a crime or do anything. You can just say, I don't want them here.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how in the fuck. Yeah.
Sorry, I gotta check these pants
That's
that you
fine.
have under here that
What?
have more pockets.
Go ahead.
Lip
I
dress?
worked
Or
fine.
hand, sorry.
I didn't help y'all out the whole fucking lot. I'm in good direction.
You're wearing your pants backwards.
I know that, man.
Oh, you do?
I work with you guys in the narcotics. And I know exactly what's got coming on and all that shit.
Oh, okay. Got it. You got any on you that you're not telling me about?
It's inside the house.
Oh,
It's in the house.
got it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's in a spray bottle.
Okay, put your head up.
Right? It's just rods and shit.
What do you got?
It's just a rod that's in there.
It's a what?
It's a rod that's holding my hair in a clip.
It looks like that's an Allen wrench.
I know that. That's why I call it a rod.
Oh.
It's holding my hair in.
I think they'll put your head up. They don't let you bring these into booking. Sorry, it's gonna. So I have to take them off, okay?
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Sorry, I know it's.
What?
Who keeps talking?
I have no clue.
They're right there.
Does it make any kind of sense?
All right, well, I'm not gonna mess with that, but
Yeah.
she always has stuff in her hand.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know what it is.
Our person gave this to me, so.
I'll call booking and let them know.
Now, if I were to just walk off the fucking property and just go to my dad's, is that okay?
No, you got a
This
warrant.
motherfucker. Okay, and it can be paid for too.
Hung up again with the answer. One prior which one fixed battery package 2023.
How much is the warrant for?
I don't know if there's a bond amount or not.
Can you take your shoes off for
Yeah,
me?
go ahead. Hold on, I got double shoes. Hold on.
Double shoes?
Yep. It's a double shoe. Go ahead.
Why are you wearing double shoes?
Because this side of my knee is broke.
Oh. What's in those napkins?
I don't know. Could have stole some of the drugs and it might not be. I don't know.
What?
I said could be some shit that's sitting in there. It might not be. I don't know. I'm telling you.
It's like 20
Will
million
Spanish
Spanish
speaker to the desk.
speakers.
You said what? There it is.
There it is.
Any available Spanish speaker
Very
for the
tiny,
front
but it's
desk?
right there. Little white ass.
Thank
girl.
you.
Alright. Can you slide those back in?
Yeah, of course.
Here, lift your foot up for me. Take your shoe up.
For
lift your
what?
foot.
I could have done that shit myself.
No, lift your foot up. I gotta check
where
the
is
bottom
She's just
of
gonna
your-
feel your feet.
That shit in.
You got double sock too?
No. Just a regular sock on
Okay,
that.
use the other one.
For you, no,
Alright,
that follow-up.
During a standard search of her clothing and personal belongings, officers made a critical discovery. Hidden within her clothes were multiple items, including what appeared to be a substantial quantity of suspected narcotics.
No breath.
Move that hand, step it up, please.
What are you doing?
Go around to the back side.
No! Get up.
Thank you.
Knees up.
No, we're good. We got her. She took off, but
Alright, stand by yourself.
no, just say something. Just
No,
say
let
something.
me back up.
No.
Alright, 10-4, 91, you copy?
Nope.
Still leave it just a minute.
No, go.
Here, take the phone. Stay down. Just go on the back side, man.
No.
That's where the motherfucking drugs are at, G.
Okay, we don't care.
I do.
Okay.
Move. Stop moving. Stop. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay.
I'm not here for that. I do.
What are you trying to tell me?
Just follow me around to the fucking back, man.
Why are you trying to run the back?
Because.
Why?
Because.
Because what? Why are you trying to run to the back?
So you can get your fucking evidence, bro.
What evidence? I'm listening. What evidence?
It's inside of the fucking thing.
It's what?
Inside of the what you call
Stay down.
For what?
Cause.
For what?
No, sorry, go up.
Yeah. Okay. Go around to the back window.
No.
Yes.
Stay down.
For what?
Stay down.
For what?
Stay down. Because I'm telling you to.
Why?
Stay down. Stay down.
I don't know.
You're literally getting so tired for no reason.
What is happening? Take these fucking hands off.
What are you trying to do?
Stop, get some air, bro. Stop reaching.
What?
I don't know what you're reaching for.
What are you trying to do?
Taking our sweats off.
Do you have anything in your sweats?
Just hold out on the status check.
Why are you so hot? From running? What?
Any other call I get? Never mind. I'll tell you in a minute.
210 disregard.
We're gonna have to check.
Yeah.
Question clear. Go ahead.
Stand up. Alright. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3, on your feet.
Yeah. Just gonna do this here.
Why are you taking the bra off?
It's too hot for this shit.
Well, if you stopped doing all that, you wouldn't be hot.
That's the only thing Sanchez couldn't really get in.
Okay, can't get that off. Okay, hold on.
Juan, stop.
What?
Let's walk over the van.
Load.
For what?
Just walk over the van.
And we need to adjust these cuffs.
Okay. Alright, so it's just a little clip, metal clip in her hair. Let me just do this one. Just.
She's got like a bunch of pairs on.
Okay.
So,
Can't tell if this is just hitting up everything.
do you have a
I do. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to loosen these so I can adjust them, okay? Just stand there. Relax your hands for a second.
Mm-hmm.
Relax your hands.
It's gonna make him more comfortable for you.
Hold on. Now, turn your hand. Turn your wrist.
Put your knuckles together.
There you go. So,
Like this.
stop tensing. Relax. Relax your arms. Put your arms down to your sides. This arm. Put it down to your side. Let go of whatever you're holding.
I got a suspicious vehicle. Steering wheel on the field.
She's good now.
Watch your head getting up, okay? Sit in the first seat. And get your buckle in. Oh, you got that one? Perfect. There you go, buckled in.
Did you grab her bag off my car too?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
After being taken into custody, the female was checked for safety and transported to the station for processing. She now faces multiple charges, including possession of controlled substances and attempting to evade arrest. What began as a standard call became a textbook example of why officers must remain vigilant at all times. The evidence collected will now proceed through the judicial system.
There we go.
I've got you.
What?
One more step and then we're good to go. Then you're gonna follow these officers inside.
Go in and step on that blue circle.